This is exactly why homemade shawarma keeps ruining restaurant shawarma for me. Watch what happens when every single part of a shawarma is made from scratch. The secret to an unforgettable shawarma isn't the chicken. It's everything that happens before it hits the grill. Start by crushing coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and cardamom seeds brings out a deeper aroma that you just can't get from pre-ground spices. Mix them with turmeric, a pinch of cinnamon, black pepper, paprika, sumac, salt. Sumac brings that unique Middle Eastern touch. Greek yogurt, olive oil, tomato paste, freshly grated garlic, and fresh lemon juice. This marinade is where the magic happens. A perfect balance of warm spices, creamy yogurt, and fresh lemon that creates an unforgettable flavor. Coat both the chicken thighs and chicken breast generously, then let them marinate in the refrigerator for at least 3 to 4 hours. This homemade garlic sauce is the heart of this shawarma. Now for the garlic sauce, whip 1 large egg white with 4 cloves of crushed garlic and half a teaspoon of salt until it's light and foamy. With the mixer still running, slowly drizzle in the vegetable oil. Take your time. This is what creates that rich, creamy texture. Finish with olive oil, then add fresh lemon juice and mix until it's thick, glossy, and smooth. Chill it while you prepare everything else. Fry the potatoes until they are deeply golden and crispy. Then let them drain on a wire rack. A little sumac and lemon transform simple red onions into something bright, tangy, and perfect for balancing the richness of the chicken. Now, heat your grill until it's screaming hot. If a drop of water instantly dances across the surface, you are ready. Place the chicken on the grill and don't touch it. Let each side cook for about 4 minutes over high heat to develop a deep char without drying out the meat. While it grills, brush the chicken with a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and sumac for extra flavor and a beautiful finish. And don't forget, the grill is where everything comes together. That rich heat creates those smoky charred edges while keeping the inside juicy and tender. Let the chicken rest for 2 minutes before slicing it into thin strips. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like and subscribe. I have many recipes waiting for you, from flavors around the world to beautiful homemade cakes and desserts. So make sure to check out my other recipes. Now for my favorite part, bringing all these incredible flavors together into one perfect wrap. Spread a generous layer of garlic sauce over a tortilla. Then add the grilled chicken, crispy fries, marinated onions, tomatoes, pickles, another spoonful of garlic sauce, and a sprinkle of sumac if you like. Roll it up tightly, then grill both sides for about 1 to 2 minutes, brushing the tortilla lightly with olive oil until it's beautifully golden and crispy. Don't forget, always grill the folded side first. This helps seal the wrap and keeps everything inside while grilling. Let it rest for another 2 minutes before slicing, and don't skip the final touch. 1 more spoonful of homemade garlic sauce. That's the shawarma worth making again. because a good shawarma is all about balance, smoky chicken, creamy sauce, fresh toppings, and that perfect grill wrap. And enjoy!